In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of importing contacts from a Gmail account to an iPhone. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Mail. Next, tap on Accounts and then select Add Account. Choose Google from the list of options. Log into your Google account here. Tap Save at the top right corner. Then select the Gmail account you added. On the following screen, enable the Mail and Contacts options. This will automatically import your Gmail contacts to your iPhone's Contacts app.